we are getting very close to the snow. Looks like it's a very fresh snow, and also it looks like it was snowing here last evening. It's a very fresh snow, so all these trees and all these mountains, they are covered with this fresh snow. We are trying to capture, but even you cannot imagine how much beautiful it is. Maybe this camera cannot capture this beauty 100%. It's so beautiful. Our luck is that it's not raining, and if it needs, we will be going up to see this fall where the water will be coming. So you can see this water coming from mountains, and this road is moving along with this water channel. Wow. But the good thing, it's very well organized, very well maintained. With every facilities here, we have seen some public transport even reaching at that place. We are getting close to the snow now.